In education, every lesson, lecture, and discussion is packed with valuable insights. But between fast-paced lectures, group discussions, and research meetings, it's easy to miss important details. That's where Notta comes in. Notta transcribes lectures, summarizes key points, and keeps all your academic materials organized in one secure place so you can focus on learning, teaching, and collaborating without distractions. Students and educators using Notta report 80% less time spent on note-taking and better grades. Today, I'll walk you through 3 key ways Notta enhances education. It helps students capture every word effortlessly with AI-powered note-taking. Notta enables educators to provide accessible and structured learning materials. And it organizes and retrieves academic discussions with ease. Taking notes while actively listening is tough. Notta eliminates that struggle by automatically transcribing lectures and study sessions in real time. For online lectures, simply click Record Online Meeting, select the language, paste the lecture link, and here we can see the Notta bot taking notes on the right-hand side as the professor is talking on the left-hand side. You can even see the live transcription as the meeting goes on. Notta isn't just for students, it's a game changer for educators. With one click, Notta generates structured summaries of class discussions, making it easier for teachers to provide lecture notes, lesson summaries, and study guides. Additionally, students can ask Notta's AI chatbot questions like, "What were the key points from today's lecture?" and get instant answers. This ensures that every learner, regardless of their note-taking speed, has equal access to knowledge. Education involves managing a wealth of information. With Notta, students, teachers, and researchers can keep track of academic conversations effortlessly. All lecture transcripts, research meetings, and discussions can be stored in Notta and organized into folders by subjects or courses. Need to find something from last semester? Just type a keyword and Notta will pull up every relevant note, making studying and research easier than ever. You can record or transcribe meetings or lectures that you've missed by clicking on the New Records button in the top right corner. Now select Upload and Transcribe. Either upload the file directly right here or upload this from a URL. In this example, I will upload the Principles of Microeconomics from MIT, and I will select the link in my browser and paste it over here in the URL bar. Now I select Next. The language I'm selecting is English, and I'm clicking on Upload and Transcribe. In the bottom right corner, you see the progress of the upload of this video as well as the transcription. Once it's uploaded, we can click on the meeting to see the transcript as well as the AI summaries. We can see the timestamps with the transcription on the right-hand side, the video in the top right corner that we can play back at any time. We can select from a group of templates. In this case, I will select the lecture meeting summary template in order to generate all of my summaries and key points for this lecture. The summary describes everything that was covered in this 40-minute lecture, and it even breaks down the lecture into different chapters so that it's easier to digest when learning and reviewing later. I hope this gave you some ideas of how Notta can transform your learning or teaching experience. Be sure to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of everything Notta has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.